Alexandra. God has truly gifted you with a loving and independent spirit. You're a wonderful, beautiful daughter, and Mom always said, if I lined up all the girls in the world, I would choose you. You're a devoted sister, you love your family, and you're a loyal friend. You're a light in so many lives. Today, we send you on your way, new life together with Collin. And Collin, we knew from the moment we met you that you're very special. We could tell from your smile and your attitude that you in very well with our lives. We also could tell from meeting you and getting to know your family that you're very special to them and that they will miss you tremendously when you move out. Today, you begin your new life and your family together. This is it. So I want to challenge you today with a few words that I have learned in my time in marriage. Marriage is the greatest blessing and adventure you'll ever experience. But I can promise you one thing for certain. If Jesus remains your first love, if he remains the center of your lives, your marriage will be the source of incredible joy, fulfillment, and blessing.
No way!
I told you I'd get it.
Hi.
Hi.
You look good. Hi.
Hi. You okay?
Yep, I'm good. Oh, it looks so good.
I got an extra large soda.
Yep, I got a big ass head.
I know you do.
Yep. Thank you. I, Collin Thompson, take you, Alexandra Godoba, to be my wedded wife.
I, Alexandra Godoba, take you, Collin Thompson, to be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
Until death do us part.
I have expressed their complete and pure dedication to one another before God and before our gathering. By the authority vested in me by God in the state of Michigan, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss the bride. Friends and loved ones, it's with great honor that I introduce you for the first time to Mr. and Mrs. Thompson.
I've known Collin since the 2nd grade, and by the 5th grade, we've become best friends. Me and Collin have so many memories together, like dirt biking, shooting guns, and partying at our college apartment 305. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness filled with love and lots of adventure together. Cheers. Love you, buddy.
I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I can give you the fall, spring singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high
When I think of Alex, I think of her consistency and loyalty to her friends and family, her thoughtfulness, generosity, and her confidence. Alex is someone who elevates everyone around her, and growing up, she really inspired me to be more confident in myself and pursue things that I never thought I could. Alex and Collin, I love you guys. I love seeing how happy you make each other, and I'm honored to be here and be a part of this day to see you begin this journey together.
I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope.